It's a very satisfying feeling when you go home at the end of the day and realize that you helped take care of 200 plus birds. So, I have an albino cardinal.
Come on guys, I know you're hungry.
This is Legacy. He is an American kestrel, and he is the smallest bird of prey in North America. And his main source of his diet in the wild would actually be other birds. So what these guys like to do is they like to sit on fence posts and power lines, and they wait for something to flush out the birds that are sitting in the long grass, and then they will dive bomb it and get it.
Imprinting is what happens when raptors start associating people with food. Really the best way to avoid it is if you can, don't feed them, get them as soon as possible to a licensed rehabilitator or back to their parents. And if you do feed them, we wear like a big ghillie suit to basically disguise our shape and just look like a bush. So you can just do that and then feed them that way.